So here's the solution for number 5 on your homework. Step 1, you need to bring all the terms to the same side. So we are going to subtract this 12c squared, and we're going to add this 36c to the other side. So now we want to factor out something that all the terms have in common, and that would be a 2 and a c. If you have trouble doing it all at once, then just factor out a c, and everyone goes down a level of c. That becomes a squared, this would become a c, and this would become a 36. And then pull out the 2. That's fine if it takes 2 stages. So we're going to divide that by 2. We're going to divide that by 2. We're going to divide the negative 12 by 2. And we're going to divide the 36 by 2. So let's make that an 18. If you can do it all at once, all the better. So now what we need to do is we have this 2c, great. That's going to just be dragged along. And now we need to factor by grouping. We need to say, well, what does this part right here have in common? And what do these pieces have in common? So I'm going to put a big bracket for a moment, and I'm just going to pull out a c squared. When I do that, I would be left with c minus 3. In the blue section, I can pull out a 6, and what you want to do is you want to take the sign with you. Take out a negative 6, and you have c, and when you do 18 divided by negative 6, you also get a minus 3. Well, you can see where this is going. You can see that you have some things in common. Since those two are the same, we can factor this, and it's going to become a c squared minus 6, a c minus 3, and we carry down this 2c. It all equals 0. So now all we have to do is set each piece equal to 0. And that means that 2c equals 0. So 0 is one of the answers. This one is nice and easy too. C minus 3, what would it take to make that 0? It would take a c equaling 3. So our real problem is c squared minus 6. So let's just pull that out over here and let's write it. C squared minus 6 equals 0. It doesn't factor, it's not a difference of two squares, so let's just solve. I'm going to add 6 to both sides, and I'm going to get that c squared is equal to 6. Well, that's great that we know what c squared is. We want to know what c is, so we're going to take the square root of both sides. And when we do that, you need to put a plus or minus. So c is also going to be equal to plus the square root of 6, and it's also going to be equal to negative root 6. So all of your answers, when you solved for that, you would say that c was equal to 0, it's equal to 3, and it's also equal to plus or minus root 6.